Good evening to you all. Today is our day 62 of this 3-month data analytics bootcamp. Like I said, this bootcamp will last for about 3 months. And today is our day 62, and it's the end or the last day of week 9. Like always, we started by by showing our outlines. We are going to discuss about what we did yesterday, and we'll also talk about or continue discussing about dashboard. That's why I name it dashboard 3. If you can recall, we started treating the dashboard day before yesterday and today also. We are going to treat dashboard today also. But today's dashboard, okay, yesterday, if you can recall, we discussed, I showed you how to design your dashboard, what to put, how to put it, how to design it and put whatever you want to make it looks awesome and the rest. So today's work is going to be kind of like advanced way of doing it. That's what we are going to discuss about. I don't want us to take much time doing it, but I'll just show you how to go about it so that you can go ahead, try as much as you can to, create yours by yourself. So what we are going to do today is it has to do with the dashboard also. Yeah, we are going to create a dashboard where we are going to connect to the dashboard so that when you touch a particular slicer or button, the entire dashboard will change. So that's exactly what we are going to do today, what we are going to create today. So you should just watch and see how we are going to do it, so that you can be able to do it by yourself. So that's exactly what uh the class today. So let's see. Let me just jump to my Excel. This is my Excel by default. But there is one thing that I want to show you in this, because I don't want to say that until when we started the class, I'm going to do all this with you. It's going to take much time, and I don't want that. Uh, if you want to create something like this, let me just show it to you. You see that I have too many works here. You see that I have too many things here. Sorry. Sorry, if you look at it, you see I have this one, I have this one, I have this one. You see, I have lots of them. So all you need to do when you open your, let me just go to where's the work. Okay, sorry. Assuming this is your file. If you create your pivot table, for example, now I just create this. I want the product ID and the quantity per product. For example, now just copy this. If you copy it, copy the entire thing like this. If you copy it, you can put it aside. You see, if I click on it, it will bring this again for me. Then I can come back. Don't click here, just come back here. Now I can delete this. You see, this one will still remain here. That's what I did in that work. So if I need this, for example, this, and I need the selling price per each, then I will just drag this. You see, I create this. So I'll just copy this also, just paste it somewhere, you see. So I have this, then I can come and delete it and continue doing my work. So I will create all this in the same sheet. So when I'm done, then I will create or do any analysis that I want to create the charts, all the charts. That's what you see here. That's what I did. So I copy and paste everything. Then I come and create all the charts after I copied and paste them there. So that's what I just did. So you can go ahead and try it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just copy all this. We already have the dashboard, but I'm going to just put them in another separate dashboard. I'll just create new one. I'll call it dashboard 2. I'll call it dashboard 2. So that's what I'll call it. I'll get rid of these grid lines. I don't need grid lines. Okay, some people say they can't see anything. Please, can you see the screen? If you can, just let me know. If you can't, let me know. Because I think it's half is that it's your network. I think it's your network. So try and reconnect, please. Okay, so now I will just copy all the charts. You see, these are the charts. I will just copy them all to put them in the, in our dashboard. So I'll just copy all the charts I just created. I think okay, these are this. So I think I can cut them. I don't need them anymore. So I'm just going to cut them and I'll paste them here because I don't need them anymore. So I'll just put them here. These are the chart: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. So maybe I'll put map if I want, or I'll just leave them. 7 is okay. So the next thing I'm going to do, I will first create slicer for each and every one of them. Anyone that I want, I'll just create slicer for it. So I think I'll create slicer for this based on category. I'll just click on it. Just click on it to just pop up this for you. Just right click, like I show you how to add slicer. So I create slicer for category, that first. Click on this. I'll create that slicer for cell type, that too. Then, yeah, payment mode, I'll create slicer for payment mode. That's 3. Which one also? I think I'll create slicer for each category. Or I think each what do you call it? Each product. So let me just create slicer per each product. We need it. If you scroll, you see it's 44 products. So we need this because I'll show you how to customize something like that also. So I think this is what we need so far. Yeah, this is okay, and yeah, it's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's okay. Let's just use this 4 and we'll work with them. So first of all, let's arrange the let's finish arranging the slices now. Okay, the charts now. So first of all, we can just go ahead and do whatever you want to do to create the heading, the whatever you want. I think I can just do that today. Or we can just copy this. Okay, let me just do it so that you will all see how to go ahead with it. I'm just going to create this. So now I'll call it what name? Let's use another company. Let's say Key Collections 2021/2022 sales dashboard. So I'll just highlight it, increase the size, change it to wherever I want. Okay, so I think I'll put it just up here, then I'll remove the line, outline, no outline. For shape, I'll just create, okay, let me use, okay, today I'll use this, the shadow. Let's see this. Yeah, I love this one. So I'll create this one. This is how I want it to be today. So I'll create something like this. So yeah, it's okay. So I'll change the color here. Let me use any color, green or green or green. I'm just looking for a color. Let me just put this one. It's okay. So this is it. I just put this. I just create this. So for all the charts, what I'm going to do is, just because I can't, work with them in one place. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to put that shadow per each, and I'm removing the outline. So I'll add the shadow. I'll remove the outline. This is what I'm going to do today. Yeah, I'll remove the outline, and I'll add the shadow. Okay, today I didn't put the number. Don't worry, maybe we don't need it. I'm just trying to show you how you can do this. Since yesterday I show you what you can do. So let's today design something, unique, not like yesterday. So it's okay. I'll just put shadow. So you see there is something, you are seeing a shadow over it. You see, not like yesterday. Now today there is shadow over it. So there is shadow. So we did it for this one also. So where's this one also? Let's put it, put shadow. Okay, so this is it. So let me add some things because I need that record to make it look awesome. Okay, so let's have we can copy this 20. We can just copy this, or let me just come here and get them. Let me get this here. So I'll just click here. Okay, sorry. That is our total. I think I'm going to get the total of each year like we did yesterday. So let's just bring this one, please. Let's just copy this. Let's copy this. Let me remove this. No, I don't need this one. I need this, this. No, I don't need this, 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 this. Yeah, I can also put all this if I want. Let's just put them so that we can just do something. I'll just copy this. Okay, let me paste them here. So I'll change everything to this column for today so that I'll just see everything that I'm dealing with. So the total revenue is here. I'll increase the size. Yeah, I want it to be bigger today. Total revenue, I want it to be bigger. 20 is okay. And today I want it to have the color in it, and I don't want this, and I want shadow. So let me use this particular shadow, okay? Let's use this. So for this is okay. So total revenue. So 2021 revenue also, I'll just copy same. Just click enter and click on it. Sorry. Click here. I think it will work. If it didn't work, yeah, it works. So it works. Just do it like this. It's the same thing. Make it center. 2021 revenue. So I already create this. Where is 2022? Here it is. So I'll copy this, edit here, and increase it. So I don't even need this. So let me delete this. I don't need this, but I need all this. So what I'm going to do now is I'll increase this. Okay, for this, I'll increase this amount. This, maybe I'll change the color to, let's give it something shiny. Okay, let's put this one. Okay, this is 2022. Let me check. Okay, this is 2021. This is 20. Okay, 21, 22. Okay, yesterday we even put 21, 22. Okay, so which one is 22? I think this one is 22. This one is 21. So here, what I'm going to do, I'll copy paint this, put it here, do it again, and put it for this one. So I'll increase this. I want it to be here. This one, I'll increase it. I want it to be here. Okay, it's just the arrangement. So let me just copy them all and just, move them. Just hold your control. Let me just move them at the center somewhere like that. Then that's okay. And align them at the center. No, 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 no. don't want to align them at the center. It's okay. It's okay. I think this one's supposed to come a little bit. I need to increase this one. This one's supposed to come down a little bit. Okay, I hope you are all seeing what we are doing. So this is it. I'm just doing this. So let me just put this now. So I'll put this chart first, followed by this, and I will put this, and I'll put this. I'll put this here. I'll put this, or maybe I'll just bring this down. Yeah, I'll put this here, then I'll like this. Okay, today I didn't decrease them, so I just leave them the way they are. Yeah, so that we just have a very fast walk. So I didn't decrease them. Okay, I think this is okay to me. To me, it's okay. It's only these things that are supposed to move them again a little bit. It's just this that I need to move. Okay, sorry, I didn't copy this. It's just this. I just need to move them a little bit like this. So it just needs to be like this. So this is it. This is it. Sorry, just need to take it up. Okay. Okay. So the next thing is for us to put our, okay, let me just copy all this. Let me just bring it a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so now the next thing is for us to put our slicers. So let's just go and copy all our slicers. This is our slicers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. These are they. So what we need first before we move them is just for us to link the entire slicers. So we need to connect them all. So each slicer needs to be connected with this particular table. This table, you see, we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. All these table, we need to connect these 4 slicers with each table. So all we need to do is click one of the slicer, click on it and click slicer. You will see report connection. Just click on it. Please make sure you tick everything here. Just tick them all. So it's going to take some time. So I'm just going to do it. Don't worry. Just keep ticking them because I have many tables. So I don't know which one and which one I used to create visualization of. So I don't know. So, but what I'm going to do, I'm just going to just click on them all because in this sheet, I have a lot of tables that I created. So I'll just click, okay, I'm done with this particular table. That is product 1. So I will just do the same for this. Click on this and connect them all. There is no select all. So all you need is to do it one after the other. So just keep doing it. Keep clicking on it. You see, tick it. Connect all the tables. Connect them. Connect them. Just connect them. When you finish connecting them, click OK. We are done with this one. Then this one. So I'll just connect this. So it's 4. So that way we have 4. So it's not that much. Make sure you click on each table. Connect this slicer with all the tables. So that when we click on the slicer, it will affect all the tables. Everything will change. That's the purpose of doing all this. So I'll just click on this again. So let me just connecting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, just keep connecting it. You see, keep connecting it. Keep connecting it. just connect them all. You see, so after you connect them, now we are going to copy them. After you connect them, just copy them and bring them to our dashboard. So this is our dashboard too. So I'm pasting them here. So you see here, they are all of them, the 4 of them. So this is what we are going to do now. So the first thing is, we have this category. We also have ye. I'm supposed to bring ye. So, but it's okay. Let's just do it now since this is what we have just done. So we can just put it here. So I think we can create it. Let's just put this one. Okay, let's make this one here. So the cache and this, we are going to put it here. So just click on this. If you click on slicer, there is slicer on top of it here. Just click on it. You can add the columns of slicer. So I want it to be 2 columns. So you see it's 2. So I'll just drag it here. Just increase it like this. You see, these are the 2 slicers that I have. You see, I have something buttons here. So let me just finish adding all the slicers. If I finish adding them, you see what will happen. When we click on one of the slicer, you see what exactly will happen. So I will just bring this one here. Maybe I'll just leave it there. This one also, I'll put it here. So I'll leave it here. I'll just, drag it. I can just put it. Okay. Yeah, I can put it here. Then I come back and bring to forward. You see this bring forward. So I just bring it forward because before it's down of this. So I can just put it very close to this. So I can decrease this. So I can leave it like this. So the next thing is for me to put this, the entire column. So I think I'll remove this one. Sorry. I'll remove this one here. So I'll just put the entire products here. You see, so I'll just drag it. Since we have 44 of them, yeah, so I'll just increase this till it reaches the 44. So here it is. So this is what we have. Yeah, so here it is. We have this. So the next thing we need, okay, let me just drop it a little bit. So the next thing is to put this one, this category. So I'll put category up here. What I'm going to do, I will change the columns. I'll change them to, how many categories I have is 5. So I'll change them to 3. So you see, I have 3 of them. I'll increase them. So this is how the categories will look like. We have 3 categories. So this, I'm going to just move this a little bit. Sorry, I'll just move this. Yeah, so I'll put the category inside a little bit like this. I think it's too much. Let me just bring this one closer to each other. I want category to fit. Okay, the category should be here. So it's okay like this. So I need to kind of increase this a little bigger so that it will be in this. Okay, so now let me show you something. If I click on it, only this will not change. But if you look at it, all the charts and everything will change if I click one slicer. So let's see what will happen. Let me just decrease the size and see what will happen. If I click on direct sell, you see the entire charts change. If I click on line sell, you see everything is changing. Wholesale, you see, is changing. Everything is changing. If I click on cash, you see everything in the chart is changing. You see, if I click on category, you see it's changing. I need category 1, I need category 2. You see, if I click on product 20 alone, everything will be changing. So this is a very dynamic chart that you can create using this. So if you want everything to be back, you see this red bottom. You will see this red bottom on top of each slicer. Just click on it. It will reset everything. It will reset it. You see, I'm just resetting everything, bringing everything back to normal. So this is how it is, and this is what we just did and what we just created together for today. And this is exactly where we are going to stop in this today's class. And there are some things that at least has to do with visualization, which I'm supposed to show you, but even this one is enough. I don't want us to take much time doing all this because there are a lot of things to do in this, but don't worry. Keep practicing and keep practicing. You will learn more, but even this is enough. Maybe you will treat them in the next week because next week we are going to focus more on data sharing and data reporting. That's what we are going to focus on because it's going to be our last week. So this is what we just did for today, and please, this is it. So try as much as you can to see what you can to kind of try your best and do yours and create what you can do. So if you have a question, please just ask your question. If you don't have a question, I'll just upload the video and drop it to you. Total revenue is not in the middle of the box. I didn't get. Okay, total revenue is not in the middle of the. Okay, I think you said it since. So it's okay. We treated that and it's very okay. So that's okay. We did that. So if you have any question, you can ask. I'll just touch it again so that to show you something. You see, everything is changing. If I just want, okay, let's say I just want to have an overview of product one. So you see, this everything related to product one. So if I want for product two, this is everything related to product two, product four, product. You see, even the line chart is changing. Everything is changing because everything now is dynamic. Is dynamic. It's just, affecting the entire tables that you have. So this is awesome, and this is something great, which I believe you can work with it and you can, learn a lot about it. So I'll share the chat. I know I'll just share it with you so that you can see what we have just created today. So I didn't see any question. I think we are going to call it a day. I'll drop the video to you anytime soon, and we can call it a day. Okay, let me just use my snippet tool to just cut it. If you have a question, you can ask. We don't, and I think it's kind of bye-bye to us all. So we need we meet in our final week. So we'll start our final week next tomorrow. So this is what we just did. I'll just copy this and call it dashboard 2. Analytics dashboard 2. That's all. So let's meet tomorrow, next tomorrow on Monday. I'll drop your assignment, which you are going to work on. So see you tomorrow and have a wonderful dream. Bye bye.